Hello everyone, and welcome to a beautiful Sunday. I promised you that I would show you the W108, so that's what we're going to do today. And I have to apologize because I promised that I was going to get the wheels painted, and I did to 3 of the 4, but the 4th one just had a tire mounted on it, brand new tires all the way around, and one of them's leaking. So before I paint that one, I actually have the factory spare is still in the normal location under normal circumstances, but I actually had to mount it on here so I can take the wheel and tire tomorrow and get the leak fixed. I actually think it's in the valve stem, so nothing that they did, I don't think, but I do have the factory beauty rings and center caps, just haven't put them on yet. You can see as far as a real common rust area is the trunk floors, and I don't know if you can see that very well. I mean, it's dirty, obviously, but this is it, and it's all solid. It just a little bit of surface rust there. And we'll get some POR 15 or some Miracle Paint or something on that, and we'll get it all sealed. That way it can't rust any further. But this is it, and we're gonna take a quick peek at the interior. I was really happy with the interior. Really the only thing that needs attention is this deck carpet. It had a real ugly looking aftermarket third brake light in it when I bought it, so I removed that. But once we get that deck carpeting sealed back up, it's going to look really nice in here. You can see the interior is in very good shape. This is a front headrest car, no rear headrests, but apparently that was an option, I'm told. The headrests on the front seats and then the rear seats, but this one is just front, which is okay. But this is believed to be original, and there are some flaws, but overall very nice. The bow on the dash could use some reworking, but I was very happy with the interior. Start it up so you can hear this sweet 6-cylinder. Fires right up. Again, the seller had the carburetors professionally rebuilt, and that's not cheap on these twin Zenith carburetors. So I'm really glad that he did it. But I definitely wanted to let everybody take a peek at exactly what this car looks like. And again, excuse the spare on the rear on that side, but we'll have that changed out tomorrow and have the factory wheel painted and installed. But you can see it's not flawless. You can see there are rock chips. You can see there's some fading on the paint. It's a little scaly. Again, we believe that this is original paint. If anyone knows these cars really well and knows how to tell, you let me know, because I'm very interested in hearing it, on whether or not this thing is original. Rust-free body, and I did ask him about the jack points, and if you look at the jack points, you can see back in there that there is a piece sheet metal screwed on. So we know what that means. There's going to be some rust on the jack points. and that's not a problem. I can cut and weld, and I will do that. The body is what I was really concerned with, because I don't want to have to do any paint work to an original car, and I don't believe I'll have to. I believe I'll be able to replace those jack points, and at the absolute most, maybe just shoot the rockers if we burn the paint when we're welding new jack points in. But yeah, that's it, folks. Obviously, there are a few things that aren't 100% original. Somebody put a vacuum gauge in there. I'll probably remove that. This is a neat little piece. This completely inaccurate outside temperature gauge that somebody installed. You can see it's not working right because it's probably, oh, I don't know, 75 degrees out, and it's showing that it's 105. So it's obviously not working right, but I think it's a pretty neat piece, and it's kind of nostalgic. Even if it's not original to the car, I'm okay with that, and I'll probably leave it. But yeah, wanted to give everybody a peek of it, and kind of let you know exactly what this looks like. And I'll obviously post more videos as we go. But got the diff fluid changed today, and I recorded some of that, so we'll do some videos of that, and maybe some other maintenance items. Obviously, I've done the brakes. That's on another video. But yeah, we'll continue to do updates on this thing. I'm really loving working on it, and we took it for a little drive today. Obviously, we don't have tags on it, so just, you know, down the block and back, nothing crazy. But let the girlfriend drive it for the first time, and you know, this is ultimately more for her than it is for me, even though I absolutely love the W108s, but especially in this color. This is Dunkelrot. It is dark red, 542G if I recall, original color, so probably original paint, but again, I'm not positive on that. But yeah, thought I'd give everybody a peek at it, and I should have another video maybe later on this week showing you some other maintenance items before we get this thing roadworthy. And I'm really anxious to take it out on the road and take it out on the highway and actually kind of stretch its legs. And we haven't been able to get out of second gear, just to run around in the neighborhood a little bit. So but it does seem to ride beautifully, even though I know it needs shocks. It is a magnificent suspension design, and just absolutely zeroes out any of the imperfections in the road. It's really astonishing how well it rides, especially for a 54-year-old vehicle. But nothing modern that I've been in has this kind of ride, so that's why we love them, right? So, all right, folks. Hope to have an update soon after this one, and we'll go from there. And until next time, thanks for watching. Take care.